So you're thinking of moving to Pleasant Grove, Utah. So in this video, we're gonna do what we always do. We're gonna take a look at a few different homes in a few different neighborhoods and some different price points so that you get a good idea as far as what homes look like in Pleasant Grove. And so we've got 5 homes on the list. I've actually got a couple in that starting price point, including a townhome. That's something that we normally don't take a look at, but I'll explain when we get there why I've added that to the list of our tours today. So let's go around, take a look at some of these homes, and we're gonna get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel, and if you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in Salt Lake City, Utah, as well as the surrounding areas like Pleasant Grove, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market in Salt Lake City, Utah. Hi, my name's Steve Gilbert. I'm with eXp Realty, and my team and I, we get calls and emails every day from people just like you that are looking for help with making their move to Salt Lake City, Utah, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text. You can always schedule a Zoom call with us. The information, it'll be in the description below. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Salt Lake City, Utah. So as I mentioned, we are in Pleasant Grove today, and right now I'm in the historic part of Pleasant Grove. So you can see there's a lot of old businesses that are around here. There's a cupcake, bakery down the street here. There's 19 Main, which is right here. In fact, I just got done drinking a protein shake here. This is a coffee shop and a protein shake place, and so you can see it right behind me here. But fun atmosphere in there. They've got a patio out back, a couple tables back there. So when you go out there, you've actually got some beautiful and incredible views of Mount Timpanogos Canyon just right there in the backdrop. So beautiful area there. And so let's go ahead and get started and go to the first house. We are here at the first home on our list of homes that we're going to take a look at in Pleasant Grove, Utah. So we are starting with the townhome. This townhome is priced at $355,000. And for that, what you're getting is 1,183 square feet. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Does come with a 2-car garage as well. So these were built in 2009. You can see behind me, I'll kind of give you a view of these homes back here. But I wanted to show you this community because in this area of Pleasant Grove, we are located close to I-15, and so your access to the freeway is going to be quick and easy. There's a lot of other conveniences that are located around here as well. But there are several different townhome communities, several different condo communities, all located right here in this part of Pleasant Grove. So there's going to be a lot of affordable housing options and opportunities right here. There are a bunch of restaurants located nearby. You've got your R&R Barbecue that's just down the street as I spin around right here. You've got a Village Bakery. You've got some chicken restaurants. You've got your Dutch Brother Coffees. You've got your Walmart Marketplace. That's all located within a walking distance as well. So a lot of conveniences located right here. There is an interesting a little interactive fantasy park. It's called Evermore Park, and it's located behind us as well. But this is really a medieval themed fantasy park that you can go and enjoy. I've never personally been there, but the reviews that I've read on that place, it sounds like it's a pretty fun and a pretty interesting place to go and to hang out. So let me show you this neighborhood real quick, and then we'll head to the next house. So we're at our next home here in Pleasant Grove, and because of the noise, they're doing some tree work over here. So that's the home that we're going to take a quick look at real quick. But this is our lowest price single family home in Pleasant Grove. We have a list price of $397,000. I'm just going to keep working my way up here so that we get away from that noise. But what you're getting for that price is 1,036 square feet. This is a 2-bedroom. It is a 1-bathroom home. This was built in 1951, and it's on 1/5 of an acre, so 0.2 of an acre. So you can see they're doing some yard work, which, looks like that home needs a little bit of it. But right across the street, you can actually see that this home here, it actually won beautification for the yard award. So, congratulations to them for keeping beautiful yard, being recognized by the city of Pleasant Grove for that as well. But one thing about this area here is we are very close to the historic part of Pleasant Grove. So just around the corner, there's some beautiful old houses. We're talking early 1900s. So we are located close to the historic part of Pleasant Grove. We do have Pleasant Grove High, which is located just up the street. And then pretty much just up the block from here, we have the Pleasant Grove Rec Center as well. So the swimming pool, the fitness center, all of that's going to be easy walking distance to this area right here as well. And as I cross the street, just making sure I don't get ran over here, but this neighborhood's located really close to the Purple Turtle. This is a restaurant. It's a hamburger, french fry, onion ring restaurant here in Pleasant Grove. Pleasant Grove has always been known for the Purple Turtle. It's one of those iconic restaurants that people always go to that live in this area. People from out of Pleasant Grove come to the Purple Turtle as well. So let me show you the neighborhood real quick, and then we're gonna head to the next house. This next home on our list here in Pleasant Grove, we have a list price of $499,500. And so what you're getting for that in Pleasant Grove is 1,802 square feet. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This is a multi-level style home. It's got the 2-car garage as well. And so we're just over 1/5 of an acre. 0.21 is the lot size with this, and this home was built in 1995. And so one thing about this neighborhood is we are located right next to the Discovery Park. And this is a park with basically a space shuttle and a space theme. So really kind of designed after the Crystal McAuliffe Center that's here in the Pleasant Grove area. And so it's just a fun park to go to. I've taken my family there in the spring. We had a barbecue, cooked up some hamburgers, and just let the kids go and play. My kids love to go and play. It's a really fun play area here in the Pleasant Grove area. So let me show you the neighborhood real quick, and then we'll head to the next house. This next home on our list here in Pleasant Grove, we have a list price of $597,500. And so we are climbing up higher on the bench here in the Pleasant Grove area. That's one thing about Pleasant Grove is I mentioned that it's shaped like a pie, and down where the townhomes and those condos are, we're down where that point is. It's close to I-15, but the further away you get from I-15, it fans out. So we get a lot more area that's up close to the mountain here. So this home is a prime example of that. We're getting higher on the bench, closer to the mountain. That's going to be Grove Canyon that's back behind us there. But you know, homes like this, they're going to offer great views. If I spin around right here, you're going to see that there's great views of Utah Lake back behind us. Or if I spin around the other direction, you're going to see that we've got the mountain back there. We've got Mount Timpanogos. So just beautiful views, regardless of the directions that you look from some of these properties. So let's talk about the details of this home real quick. So for $597,500 here in Pleasant Grove, that's going to get you 3,406 square feet. That's a 6-bedroom, 3-bath home. This was built in 1970. It is a split level home. It sits on a large lot, 0.37 of an acre. So there is a pool that's in the backyard. But what's interesting about this home is from the garage, it's got a 2-car garage, but just because of how it's built, the hillside here, there's an elevator that takes you from the garage up to that main level. And so, you know, obviously if you're parking in a garage, you've got to constantly climb stairs. If stairs are an issue, then a home like this has an elevator. That's something that you don't see ever in homes. So to find an elevator is certainly something that's rare. So interesting find here. Now this home, it could use some updates. Definitely a dated home. You know, the right buyer for this home's most likely going to come in and do some of their own personal touches to this home right here. And so, but let's take a quick look at the neighborhood, and then we'll head to the next house. We are at our last home on our list of tours today here in Pleasant Grove, Utah. So this home has a list price of $769,000. And in Pleasant Grove, that's going to get you 4,020 square feet. That's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This is a Rambler style home that we're looking at here. You can see it's got the 3rd-car garage. It does have a fully finished basement, so 3 of those bedrooms are on that main level, with 1 of those bedrooms being down in the basement. This home was built in 2013, and the lot size is 0.28 of an acre, and so we're just over a 1/4 of an acre there. But you know, one thing about this neighborhood here is you can see that we're starting to climb up in elevation as we get closer closer to the mountain. So as I spin around here, you can see that we've got the mountain right there. So that's actually Grove Canyon back there. If you watched my everything that you need to know about Pleasant Grove, my map tour video, I talk about that canyon because they do fly a flag there. It actually was in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the largest flag flown. They actually fly it between those canyons. They do that around the 4th of July time. And so that is a canyon that you can go and hike. There's a beautiful waterfall that's at the end of that canyon as well. This neighborhood also is going to give you really quick, easy walking access to the Murdoch Canal Trail. So this is that trail. It's a paved trail that takes you from Lehigh and it takes you all the way down to Provo Canyon. And so it's a fun place to walk. You'll always see people biking on that trail, riding their scooters out there. And then you've also got, because we are close to the mountain here, you've got some mountain biking trails. So the Valley Vista mountain biking trail system, that's going to be right behind us here as well. So if you're into recreation, especially outdoor recreation, you're going to have a handful of options from this neighborhood right here. And so that is going to wrap up our tour of looking at homes in Pleasant Grove, Utah today. So if you're thinking about making a move to Utah, whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text. You can always schedule a Zoom call with us. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Salt Lake City, Utah, or to Pleasant Grove like we talked about today. And until then, I hope to see you around town.